morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Tuesday, February 28th, 2023.
Please stand for the pledge to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be mostly sunny with a high of 80 degrees and a low of 49 degrees.
That's Texas for you. This week is Read Across America week. Did you know that if you read for 20 minutes a day, you will read about 1,800,000 words per year?
Wow, that is.
Tomorrow we're going to celebrate all of those silly stories out there. Be sure to wear something silly.
Today's lunch options are pizza sticks or chicken sandwich.
Crazy.
Which one should we have?
That's so good. But you didn't know, humans are born with about 300 bones, but some fuse together as we grow older. As a result, we only have 206 left when we reach adulthood. That's a lot of bones.
How did we
Scary.
How did we lose that many?
Spooky, scary, How do you even lose bones?
Today in history, in 1940, basketball is shown on television for the first time.
Wow. Who was playing and who won? Now here's Everett for Soaking I Can.
Human laughter is common, but it's a somewhat mysterious part of our evolution. It's clear to that we laugh as a part of signaling our cooperation or friendliness. But how did laughter evolve? And are humans the only ones who do it? Not a chance. Animals laugh too. Researchers have observed. They found laughter documented in at least 65 species. That list includes a variety of primates, domestic crows, and dogs, foxes, and seals, as well as 3 bird species.
Wow, I didn't know that animals could laugh.
Wow, that's crazy.
Weird but true. Abraham Lincoln was once declared a wrestling champion.
Wow. Now for the joke of the day. Hey, Evan, what type of music do frogs like?
I don't know, what?
Hip hop.
Hip hop. That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best to the key to success. I choose excellence. I'm Evan.
And I'm Josiah.
That's Larry and that's Fiona.
Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, ba-dum, bum,